Here, I'll show you how to make these quick laser beams, real simple. First, I'm going to make a cylinder. Rotate it 90 degrees and scale it down, make it really long. So I'm going to pull open a new window here and we'll use the shading editor. And we'll add a new here and we'll get rid of the principled because we're just going to add an emission. So Shift A, add your emission, and then we're going to add a couple more. We're going to add a mix shader. And we'll connect that to the surface. And this to the shader here. And then we're going to change the color of this. Make it like something cool blue. Then I'll turn off my sun. By the way, I've also set the world background to black, just so everything's all dark. And then let's go and add one more thing, the layer weight. Connect that here, and that's just going to give it a little bit of extra glow. Let me crank the strength on this a bit, and then I'm going to set this kind of high, like 0.8, maybe even 0.9. That's almost as high as it goes. And you can see why I did that down here in this window. It gives you that kind of dark on the outside and light on the inside. Lastly, go up in your render settings and make sure bloom is checked on, and that gives you that kind of awesome glow. So, real simple way to make one of these. You know, crank the strength if you want it to really glow and be awesome. Otherwise, it's just a emission shader. Take off the layer weight if you want it to be a solid.